Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a Lucent Technologies 2-line telephone. And this is Anthony's telephone from New Jersey. And he's got a letter here, and he's talking about in the letter that says the line button does not hang up. And he's basically wanting the whole telephone checked out. And I'm not getting that the line button doesn't hang up. So this is the initial checkout of this telephone. And what I have is line 1 on the analyzer, and line 2 is on the regular telephone line. So basically what we could do is pick up the telephone and access line 1, and we have dial tone. And then I can access line 2 and have dial tone, and then go back to 1, and I'll hang up. And I'm going to go ahead and ring the phone. And as you can see, it's ringing on line 1. We have dial tone. I'm going to go ahead and dial my numbers. I'm going to end in a 2. I'm going to hang up. I'm going to hit redial. And it's going to end in a 2. And I'm going to dial 2 and transmit. If you see this red indicator light on the analyzer, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we know the telephone is working. And I'm going to switch over to line 2. I'm on line 1 now. There's 2. And if I just barely tap 1, the whole phone will go off. And that's basically the way it's supposed to work. So I'm not sure exactly what Anthony is talking about, other than, and this is the initial checkout, I'm going to leave either button, line 1 and line 2, I'm going to leave them in the position where the telephone doesn't work, because neither one of them has been accessed at this point. And I'm going to turn the telephone over, and I'm going to open up the battery compartment. And if you can see all the corrosion that these batteries have caused in the telephone, that may have been what has gone wrong with the telephone. It basically has corroded the phone really bad, and what we need to do is get inside the telephone and take a look at what's going on, because that corrosion may have worked its way into the telephone. It's very possible. But you can see how bad that corrosion is all along this area here where the contacts are, and then back here where there's a lot more corrosion built up in between the two batteries. And that would maybe affect the telephone's working ability. And so we know that that's all corroded, and I want to handle that in a proper manner. I'm going to go ahead and close this up, because what we're going to have to do is get into this telephone and basically troubleshoot it. Now, them batteries are most likely for the lights. When you access line 1 like we just did, them batteries most likely power these LEDs that are in here. There's usually a green light that will come on. Now, the line voltage is enough to make it flicker once in a while. If we go back and forth, you can see that green flicker. You'll see this line 2 flicker. But both lines are accessed, and if you just gently push line 2, because we're on line 1, it takes them both off. So the telephone is working, but the problem is the corrosion we want to get to. So this is a Lucent Technologies 2-line telephone. It's a nice little trim line telephone, and it's a 272 model. And it's a good telephone. It has your low, high, and medium on the receiver here. So there's a little switch here that goes back and forth for your different volumes. And basically this telephone is going to have to be troubleshooted out. And we're going to get in and try to repair that corrosion problem and clean that up. That's a very good indication of something that could have caused his problem. And also that corrosion may have worked its way onto the main PC board. And if that's the case, you know, we're just going to have to go into it and see what we can do and clean it up and kind of go from there. Because that's well known for eating up the traces and overlapping on the traces and causing different problems. And that's most likely what has happened. And we'll know more about that when we get into it and try to see what's going on. I'll do some more videos of this telephone, try to do a final checkout video or in the repair process and final checkout video when we get further along with this telephone. But on the first inspection with the initial checkout video, this is what I'm finding, and so we'll just kind of go from there. This is Anthony's telephone from New Jersey. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.